Welcome to Ghormley Park, where the Moscow Parks and Recreation Cops and Robbers Fun Run starts and finishes. This 5K and 10K event is being held Saturday, October 12th, and all proceeds benefit the Fraternal Order of Police, Palouse Lodge number 149. This fun run heads out on the Palouse Bill Chipman Trail and finishes right back here to food and beverages, all while supporting Latah County and City of Moscow police officers. Join us the following Saturday for our first ever mini drone competition. You will bring your drone to the Hamilton Indoor Recreation Center and fly it through the indoor obstacle course. Join us on Saturday, October 19th for $10 at the Hamilton Indoor Recreation Center to participate in this competition. The last event we want to tell you about is the Moscow Half Marathon. We've done a simple take on your half marathon and 10K, starting at Berman Creekside Park, heading out on Paradise Path and Latah Trail for 10 kilometers or half marathon, coming back to Berman Creekside. Join us Saturday, November 2nd for this run. It is a great run for beginners, walkers, and joggers. Sign up online or visit us at the Hamilton Indoor Recreation Center to learn more. We'll see you at the park.